ListKit, Apollo, ZoomInfo, Lusha, and Wiza. Which of these B2B lead generation tools should you actually be using? Now, in this video, I'm going to cover 4 different ListKit alternatives. We'll look at Wiza, Apollo, ZoomInfo, and Lusha. For each one, I'll break down the features, the pricing, and give you the honest pros and cons so you can decide which one fits your workflow. And make sure to stick around to the end of this video because I'll reveal the #1 metric that matters more than anything else when choosing a lead gen tool. Now, most people will get this wrong and it costs them thousands of dollars in wasted outreach. Now, before we jump in, let's quickly cover what ListKit actually offers so you know what we're comparing against. Now, ListKit is a B2B lead generation platform founded in 2021. They claim to have over 731 million triple verified contact profiles, which includes emails and phone numbers. They also have an AI company search feature that lets you describe your ideal customer just in plain English, and it'll build a full prospect list for you. They've got a 4.6 out of 5 rating on Trustpilot from about 180 reviews, and they're known for their hands-on support and active school community for cold email training. So why would you want to look for an alternative? Well, here's the real issue. Every lead gen tool promises verified data, but verified can mean very different things. Some tools verify data once when it enters their database. Others verify periodically, but only a few will actually verify it the moment you request the data. That difference is why you're seeing bounced emails even with verified lists. And bounced emails don't just waste your time, they damage your sender reputation, they tank your deliverability, and they can get your domain blacklisted. That's what we want to fight against here. Stale data that looks good on paper, but fails when you actually need it. So let's see how each alternative handles this problem. Now let's start with Wiza. Now, full disclosure, you're watching this on the Wiza channel if you couldn't tell by the purple background. So obviously I'm going to be biased here, but let me show you the numbers so you can actually just decide for yourself. Wiza is a LinkedIn native prospecting tool used by over 350,000 B2B professionals. The database has over 850 million contacts, but here's what actually makes Wiza different from all the other tools on this list. Wiza verifies all of the contact data like emails and phone numbers the moment you request them. Not yesterday, not last month, not when they scrape the data, right now in real time. Most databases, including Apollo, ZoomInfo, and even ListKit, verify their data periodically. That means that by the time you actually download your list, some of that data is already stale. People change jobs, companies get acquired, emails get deactivated, and that's why you're seeing bounce rates. But with Wiza, the verification happens live. So the result? Deliverability rates are above 99% and your bounce rates are under 1%. And if you're already using LinkedIn Sales Navigator, Wiza integrates directly with the Chrome extension. You just run your search, click export, and Wiza pulls verified emails and phone numbers for every single contact. You can export up to 2,500 leads at once and push them straight into your CRM. And by the way, we have a video on how you can use Wiza to bypass that 2,500 limit. And here's what else Wiza does super well. It has transparent pricing with no hidden fees. In fact, there's an unlimited plan available so you won't have any credit anxiety. It also has 50+ data points per contact for deep enrichment and no annual contracts locking you in. So if deliverability is your priority and you prospect on LinkedIn frequently, then Wiza solves the stale data problem better than anything else that we've tested. But what if you want an all-in-one platform that does more than just lead gen? Well, that's where Apollo comes in, and the price difference might actually surprise you. Now, Apollo is probably one of the most well-known alternatives on this list, and there's a really good reason for that. Apollo is an all-in-one sales platform, so you get access to their database of over 275 million contacts, plus built-in email sequences, a dialer, and a basic CRM feature. Everything lives in one place, which is convenient if you don't want to juggle multiple tools. Now, here's what Apollo does well. Their database is pretty big. 275 million contacts is a lot of data to work with, but it's still not as big as Wiza's database, which is over 850 million verified contacts. Now with Apollo, the pricing starts at $59 per month per user, which is pretty accessible. And since it's an all-in-one solution, you can find your leads, build email sequences, and track everything without even leaving the platform. For someone just getting started with outbound, that simplicity is pretty valuable. But here's where it gets serious. Apollo has a 2.9 out of 5-star rating on Trustpilot from over 1,000 reviews. That's not a typo. Users consistently report data accuracy issues, email bounces, phone numbers are outdated, and their credits get wasted on just bad data. The Chrome extension is also known to be super buggy, and unfortunately, because Apollo tries to do everything, the interface can also feel super overwhelming. Now, remember that stale data problem I mentioned? Well, Apollo verifies their data periodically, not in real time like Wiza. So you're getting convenience, but you're also trading that off for accuracy. Now, if you want everything in one place and you're okay with some data quality trade-offs, Apollo works. But if your deliverability is your priority, those accuracy issues are a real problem. Now, what if your budget isn't a concern and you need enterprise-grade features? Well, the next tool costs 250 times more than Apollo, and let's see if it's worth it. That alternative I'm talking about is ZoomInfo. It's the 800-pound gorilla of sales intelligence, and the pricing definitely reflects that. ZoomInfo is an enterprise-grade platform with one of the largest and most mature B2B databases in the industry. They offer intent data, which shows you which companies are actively researching solutions like yours. They've got advanced filters, workflow automations, and even website visitor tracking. Now, if you're running a large sales org or you need deep data, ZoomInfo delivers. The intent signals are genuinely useful for prioritizing outreach, and the filtering options are more granular than most of the competitors. But here's the catch. ZoomInfo starts at $15,000 per year, and that's the minimum. Most teams end up paying $25,000 to $30,000 or more once you add all the features and add all the credit usage. You're also locked into annual contracts with no monthly option. So if it doesn't work for your team, you're still paying for 12 months. For startups and small teams, ZoomInfo is overkill. It's built for enterprise sales orgs with big budgets and dedicated RevOps teams. And here's the thing that most people actually miss. Even with that price tag, ZoomInfo still uses a static database. The data doesn't get updated or verified in real time, which means you're still gonna see bounces. So you're paying enterprise prices, but you're not solving the core problem. It is a powerful tool, but it's way too expensive and complex for most teams. That is, unless you're at the enterprise level with budget to spare, but there are better options. Okay, so ZoomInfo is the premium end, but what if you just need something simple and lightweight? Well, the next tool on this list takes a completely different approach, and that tool is called Lusha. Lusha started as a simple browser extension for finding emails and phone numbers. You click on a LinkedIn profile and Lusha shows you the contact info. Super simple. They since rebranded as an AI sales intelligence platform, but at its core, Lusha is still primarily a contact enrichment tool. Here's what Lusha does well. It's super easy to use. The interface is clean, you can get started in minutes, and users generally like it. They have a 4.3 out of 5 rating on G2 from over 1,100 reviews. They're also GDPR compliant with strong European data coverage, which actually matters if you're prospecting in the EU. And they have a free tier so you can test it before paying. Now, the downside with Lusha is that it's limited. It's a lookup tool, not a full prospecting workflow. You can't really build large targeted lists that scale the way that you can with other platforms. The credit system also gets super expensive fast. You burn through credits quickly, and at scale, that cost really adds up. And the integrations are fairly basic compared to some of these competitors. So Lusha is solid for quick one-off lookups. It has good reviews, it's easy to use, but if you need to build a list at scale and run sustained prospecting campaigns, it's more of a nice to have add-on than a primary solution. Okay, so let's put this all together. Here's how all of these alternatives stack up. Wiza is the best for LinkedIn prospectors who need accurate, real-time verified data at scale. It solves a hard bounce problem, there's a free tier available to test out, and there are unlimited plans that start at just $83 per month. Apollo is best for beginners who want everything in one place. Just be prepared for some data accuracy issues. And the plans start at $59 per month. ZoomInfo is best for enterprise teams with big budgets who need intent data, and that starts at about $15,000 per year on an annual contract. Lusha is best for quick lookups and European data. It has good reviews, but limited features, and their pricing starts at $49 per month. Now, remember that one metric that I mentioned at the beginning of this video? The one thing that matters more than anything else? That's deliverability. Not database size, not features, not price. And this is because a list of 10,000 contacts means nothing if 20% of your emails bounce. You'll burn through credits, destroy your sender reputation, and land in spam folders. Not to mention, you'll waste hours on outreach that never reaches anyone. So that being said, the tool that gives you the highest deliverability will always beat the tool with the biggest database. So if you're doing serious prospecting and you're tired of bounced emails just destroying your whole workflow, then you need to see Wiza in action. In this next video, I'll show you exactly how to find unlimited sales leads using Wiza Prospect. I'll walk you through the full platform, the filters, the export process, and how to get verified contacts in under 10 minutes. So you can click right here to watch that video now, or go down to the link in the description if you don't see the video on screen, and have a magical day. I'll see you in the next video.